The tradition of Festivus begins with the airing of grievances. And I've got a lot of problems with you people. Nah, not really. I'm kidding. But we will conclude this episode with the feats of strength. And it's time for Sunday brunch. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, we're going to start off with some traditional Festivus hash browns. If I can open the package. That's right, Baja. Hash browns. This is one of the difficult things for me to get right because I wouldn't listen to the ones who've done it and know what they're doing. But once I started listening, it started coming out right. And the advice of the experts, you know who you are, is don't touch. You get them on here, and you just leave them. It may take 10 minutes or so, and so, like I said, my problem's always flipping too soon, or checking, or I want to mess with it, I want to fidget, it needs interaction. But that's not the case. Right, Baja? So, what else? Where's your ball? Shoot. Oh, there it is. Let's add some seasoning. This is my salt, pepper, garlic blend, plus other stuff. Yummy. Give it a little bit of flavor. Going to Flavor Town. Okay. Bacon. We could throw on some bacon. We have some hickory smoked deli case bacon. Yum. Try to rearrange here a little bit. Oh, look how pretty. Thick sliced. You can smell. Just look at that. Is that the prettiest bacon ever? Yum, yum. It's almost too pretty to eat. Almost. You know, it's nice to actually be able to cook for a change on the griddle. The winds have been terrible up here. It's been cold at times, which I don't mind the cold. It gets dark at like noon, I swear. That may be a slight exaggeration, but only slight. Okay, there we go. Somewhere, I've got some hand sanitizing wipes, so I gotta go find. Let's drag out bacon griddle, or press. Um, anyway, you see today I'm wearing my Festivus t-shirt. It's 70 degrees. It is beautiful. The weather here in the mountains is crazy, man, crazy. And a hawk just flew by. Out of camera. Straighten it a little, maybe. There we go. Is that better? Do you feel more upright? The bacon smells so good. Anyway, I haven't been able to cook, but now I can, and I'm happy. So happy. One thing I've learned is the lower the heat on the bacon, the less it curls. But who's patient enough for low heat cooking on a griddle? That's the whole point. I want to get it now. Except hash browns, of course. So, this may be the long, boring part. I think I'll hit the pause button and let you take a break. Okay, now it's time for the traditional Festivus flipping of the bacon. Oh, look at that. The lovely assistant prefers crispy bacon, and I think she'll be happy. I will find a Festivus. There we go. Like here at the edges, bacon doesn't cook as fast, so I'll have to do some rearranging. You can chew here. I'm sure everyone has their own special heat zones. My heat zone is right here. Oh, look how pretty. Chew here out of the fat. Into the middle. Ain't that some pretty bacon, y'all? Get closer to the edges. Get the press. There we go. And we're getting closer. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay. Welcome back. You came back. Some of this bacon is ready and raring to go. And bacon does continue to cook, by the way, once you take it off. You probably already know that. I know all the trolls already know. By the way, happy holidays to the trolls. Even trolls get a Festivus gift. Maybe. You see, I've got my Festivus pole up. La, 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 la. Okay. Almost done. Look how pretty that bacon is. So excited. Much wow. And I really miss the doggy meme. Doggy, doggy. So, press that a little bit more. Turn this side down all the way. Bacon. Let's check our just about ready. Should we do it? Can we do it? You know what? I am prepared. Ooh, bacon fat. Baked on bacon fat. Ah, okay. Yeah. See what happens when you're not patient? Should have given it a couple more minutes. But you wouldn't listen to me. I tried to tell you. Oh well. I'm running out of room to put stuff. Okay. That can go a couple more minutes. This is done. Ooh, hot, hot. Look how pretty. La, 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 la. So, bacon's done. We got egg rings. Oh, it's just a little bit too much bacon grease there. I know. That's crazy talk. La, 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 la. Clean off the black bacon bits. Okay. The handiest thing I've found with eggs is for the egg rings. It's this non-stick spray. It's quick and easy. Or maybe not the best thing, but the handiest, easiest thing. This only time I use this is on the egg rings and in the air fryer / whatever, pressure cooker, all that. I think we're ready for eggs. What do you say? Oh, and I have a preference for brown eggs. So, set this here. Excuse me, thank you. No, it's not for you. One cracked egg. I am the count and I love to count. Yeah. One ringy-ding. Two ringy-ding. Good afternoon. This is Ernestine with the telephone company. Have I reached the party to whom I'm speaking? I know you kids won't get that. Get off my lawn. So we got eggs going. And I like runny eggs over easy most of the time. But I found they tend to like squirt everywhere if I don't pop them out here on the griddle. And the seasoning, the custom griddle corn seasoning, that may have been a little too much. Sometimes I put sriracha salt on mine for the ease of whatever. I'm just going to put some crystal hot sauce on mine. Is it time? Look at that. See how easy that came off? Look at that. My lovely assistant doesn't want runny anything, so look at the egg. Okay, that's a little piece of egg will be payment to Baja for her appearance. The SAG fees. This one's trying to. Now there's black specks. That's not because of the seasoning or the griddle, it's because it's bacon fat. All that bacon that was left behind. That pulled off. There you go. Baja's fees for appearing on today's episode. I'll probably give her a little piece of bacon too. Don't tell. Shh. So, I'll give my lovely assistant the least yolky, runny eggs, and I'll take the more runny eggs. That's for her. This is for me. Which one? This one for me. Huh? Oh, a little bit more for Baja once it cools off. It's kind of hot, Baja. Soaked in bacon grease. How perfect. Yes, I did screw up the hash browns because I wasn't patient. It happens. Covered up with, it's not pretty, but covered up with some crystal hot sauce or some sriracha, you won't even notice. And let's make a cute little photo op, shall we? Uncover you. Cover you. Okay. Isn't that pretty? Can you tell? You can't tell. You're lying. Right, Baja? Let's do some of this. Look at that. The Sunday before Christmas / Sunday Festivus brunch. And that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for indulging. And I appreciate every single one of you. Happy Festivus. Bye.